say starting with the fact that it's an honor working for Kama. It's a company which is well known in the industry, and now being part of this, being part of the history of Kama, I will say that the best way to define that is saying that it's an honor.
That is not that difficult. So my new successor now, Jordi Giralt, I know him for more than 10 years and I'm pretty happy that he joins Kama. And I think he has the same approach. We are both convinced about the digitalization in the future. We are convinced that the digital is the future and we need solutions for that. So I'm happy with that. And when somebody like him takes over, then it's for me pretty easy.
So we have this 130 years of history as the foundation of all what we do today. This is what is making us what we are today. So, and that's what makes us proud of what we have done until now. And this is what makes us confident for the future. So without having this foundation of 130 years, without having this big amount of customers using our solutions for many years, always evolving and always adapting ourselves to the changing trends in the industry, we will not be confident. And we are very strong confident on what is going to happen in the future because we have all this past behind us. So Kama has always followed its own way of doing things, which makes us very unique because we don't do the same as the others. And I will say that that's the key for the future of Kama. So we have all of this coming from the past, and now we are using that to foster the future of Kama. So we will keep these signs of identity for the future, trying to keep doing the best as we always did in the past. Yeah, so as you know, I have been in different companies in this printing business, and not many companies are like Kama. So Kama is unique from many different angles, starting from the products. So we have very unique products going to very unique markets, but also as a company, we are very unique. So this is almost like a family. So we are in a small company. We're still one of these small companies in this business, which is becoming very global with very big corporations. But we still try to keep our identity in this world, coming from the East German side, keeping always our mindset, and this is exactly what is Kama. So this is part of our DNA. We were developing our products for many years, and all of a sudden, all what we did for many years, it's something that fits very, very, very well to the new market trends in the printing business. So all what we do, short runs, fast changeover, all what defines Kama is something that fits very well to what all the printers and converters are looking for today. So let's say that this is a good timing for Kama to increase our footprint and to increase our message to the market saying, printers, we have exactly what you are looking for. So I have been in many big multinationals from different countries. So this is something that I'm bringing to Kama with my previous experience. But don't forget that I'm part of an executive board with 2 Germans, and they are bringing this German flavor to the company. So I'm, let's say, the guy bringing the craziness to the market, but they are the ones keeping the German way of doing things internally. So
I learned this. I didn't know this from the very beginning, but after a couple of years, I know I have to fulfill the requirements of the world market. And I looked to the United States and to England and to Italy, where the big industry is. The company used to look to the east because they were part of the Soviet Union and they wanted to go still to Russia. But I knew from the very beginning I have to go to the United States. There is a market. And if you fulfill the requirements of the United States, then you can sell everywhere. Yeah, the products look pretty ugly. They look like an old car, Trabant, which they used here. And the question was, how can I make these products fit for the world market? And that was a challenge. So it was on the Drupa 2000. We developed a complete new product based on our old philosophy, but we had a very huge success on the Drupa 2000. We found our niche. The niche was to make a machine specially for the commercial printers, not for the packaging printers. And that was a need. And people came to us and said, okay, that's exactly what we need. So we had an idea to replace the old Heidelberg cylinders, which are still in use, which are more than 100 years old. So we want to replace this. This idea was a breakthrough. The journey is fantastic. So, because I mentioned it was an old, ugly product, and now we have a modern machine with automation, everything, and probably the most automation machine in the market. And also when you see the people, so the first generation, they couldn't operate a computer. They didn't know a computer. They couldn't speak any different language. And now you can see half of the people speak fluently English. They work with computers. They are engineers. They are we have software engineers. We have everything. That was completely different 25 years ago.
So we keep made in Germany as one of the main signs of identity of KAMA, but we also develop and we have all the R&D here in-house. So all what we do, all what we bring to the market is cooked here. So here. So it's not somewhere else. So we're in a small company and all of us, we're working together in the same location, having the best setup to bring these innovations to the market. I like to say that we are a boutique company in a niche market. So we are very, very focused in one market where we are really specialized, so which is short runs, fast changeovers, fitting very well to this variable data and different jobs coming every day to the production. This is where we feel very, very comfortable. And we are a boutique company having all the ingredients to bring the right products to this niche market. So we have any type of printer, converter, who is looking for solutions to convert this piece of paper with ink on something that can be used to be sold in the market is our customer. Does not matter if it's commercial or packaging. Does not matter what they do. Does not matter if they are very conservative or very innovative. We always have a solution for any type of converter in this field. Today we have customers all over the world. Of course, the majority of our customers are located in Europe. In Europe, especially located in the DACH region, but we have customers in many, many countries doing great applications with our solutions. We have to be global because we are selling products all over the world. And what we do is interesting for printers and customers from China to Guatemala. So what we do is interesting for everyone. So we have to be global, meaning that we have to be everywhere. We have to spread the message of what we do all over the world, but keeping the German identity as our main sign of identity. So if we lose this made in Germany, made in house, with all this German reliability and all this legacy from 130 years doing the same stuff, we will miss what we are. So we have to keep this German product being used all over the world, having always the same reliability and the same efficiency all over the world. It's very important also from many different perspectives. As you know, in the printing business, printing is an important part, but it's only one part of the full process. All the rest is pre-press or post-press. And we are a very strong partner for any company, commercial or packaging. The market is moving, the market is changing, many things are happening. Cobots, robots, plenty of softwares are coming, trying to make all of this very automated and very efficient. What makes KAMA unique is the efficiency of our solutions. What makes KAMA unique is the flexibility of our solutions. So by putting all of this together in one cocktail and shaking that well, we have the right solution for today and for tomorrow. So it's a matter of combining all of this, and this is what we believe is going to be the future of post-press in packaging and commercial printing.